Hello and welcome to video number 8. In this specific video, I'm going to talk about the JVZoo feature called Sales Funnels. JVZoo offers you a way to easily add more upsells and downsells without making it too complicated. Now, if you saw the previous videos where we talked about mapping out your sales funnel, you realize that adding a upsell and downsell is very powerful. But what if you wanted to add 2 one-time offers and 2 downsells, or 3 or 4 or 5 one-time offers? Because if you make your sales funnel deeper, then you got to keep in mind that you'll actually make more profits. The deeper your sales funnel is, as long as your upsells and downsells are related. So with that said, let's hop on over to JVZoo.com and take a look at the sales funnel feature. Now, JVZoo makes it very easy to create a sales funnel in their system. Now, before you can actually do this, you'll need to create a product for every one of those one-time offers, downsells, front-end offers, and so forth and so forth. And they need to be activated in order for you to add them to the sales funnel. So all you need to do is under sellers, click on sales funnels and click on add a sales funnel. And as you can see here, simply create a name and click on save sales funnel. Now I've already created a sales funnel called Graphics 101-Sales Funnel. And as you can see here, all you need to do is to add the front end product. Now I only have one, so I'm going to click on add front end product here. So this is the front end product, and this is really neat. If you can see this, you can add upsells and downsells. So this would be an upsell and this would be a downsell. And then you can have a upsell. If somebody purchases the one-time offer, they are then presented with another one-time offer, and then another one-time offer. But then you can go, if they do a downsell, then you can provide them to a cheaper one-time offer, and then downsell, and so forth and so forth. So as you can see, this funnel is really deep. I mean, you could add so many different one-time offers and downsells and many more. And that's the really cool feature about JVZoo. And if you notice, a lot of these membership scripts will have stuff like this, but I have yet to see any other platform that really takes it to the next level. So as you can see, if you want to add a upsell, all you have to do is simply upsell here, and what happens if you choose it, it'll appear here, and then the downsell appears here. After that, then another row will appear, and so forth. So as you can see, it's really not hard. The only thing you need to do is to simply add the products first to the seller's dashboard, and once you do that, then you can begin to add it here. So you need to do that beforehand, and they need to be activated and live before you add them here. That's it.